Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of pro stock market tips. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these tips will provide you with valuable insights to enhance your stock market journey. Segment 1, Research and Analysis. Let's begin with the foundation of success, research and analysis. Before investing, thoroughly research companies, assess their financial health, understand their products, and keep an eye on industry trends. Informed decisions are your greatest asset. Segment 2, Embrace long-term vision. Pro investors think long-term. Instead of chasing short-lived gains, focus on companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. This approach lets you weather market fluctuations for maximum returns. Segment 3, Diversification for security. Diversification is your safety net. Distribute your investments across different industries to minimize risk. A well-diversified portfolio cushions you against losses from any single sector. Segment 4, Master technical and fundamental analysis. Understanding technical and fundamental analysis is essential. Technical analysis studies price trends, while fundamental analysis digs into financial data. The synergy of both approaches equips you to make smarter decisions. Segment 5, Risk management. Risk management is non-negotiable. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. A calculated approach keeps your investments secure. Segment 6, Bonus, Mindset Mastery. Now, the bonus point that can truly set you apart, mindset mastery. The stock market can be emotional and unpredictable. Developing a calm and disciplined mindset helps you make rational decisions, even in turbulent times. In conclusion, pro stock market tips are your keys to unlocking success in the dynamic world of investing. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Consistent learning, coupled with the right strategies, will pave your way to financial growth. If you found these tips valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, with the right knowledge and approach, you're on your way to mastering the art of stock market investing.